Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can enable the incognito mode on YouTube on basically any Android smartphone. Please note that in prior or following our actions, we highly recommend that you update both the YouTube app and the Android system you have on your device. So let's go ahead and start. It is a very simple action to do. You just gotta open up the YouTube app, sign in, and here on the top right corner of your display, tap on it and press on this turn on incognito mode. And as you can see, what this mode does is that the YouTube, after the mode has been enabled, the YouTube will act if like there is no previous activity on your account. So basically it will emulate the scenario if you were not signed in. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.